In this video, you'll learn how to use Jotform Sign to quickly create an e-signature document using a ready-made template. We'll go from opening the website all the way to selecting a template, and along the way, I'll explain what's happening on screen so you understand not just what to click, but why. First, open your favorite web browser and go to jotform.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window, press enter, and you'll be taken to the Jotform homepage. If you already have an account, you can log in as you normally would. If not, you can create a free account. Having an account is helpful because it lets you save your documents, track who has signed, and reuse templates in the future. Once you're on the Jotform dashboard, look for the main button or menu option labeled Create. This is usually near the top of the page and is your starting point whenever you want to build something new in Jotform, whether that's a form, a survey, or in this case, an e-signature document. Go ahead and click Create. After you click Create, Jotform will show you a few different creation options. Here you want to focus on the option called e-sign. This section is specifically designed for documents that need to be signed electronically, like contracts, agreements, or consent forms. Click on e-sign to move into the Jotform Sign area. Once you're inside Jotform Sign, you'll be given two main choices for how to start your document. You can upload your own document or you can use a template. Uploading your own document is useful if you already have something prepared, like a PDF or Word file that just needs signature fields added. Using a template is great if you want to save time and start from a professionally designed layout, then customize it for your needs. For this walkthrough, we're going to focus on using a template because it's often the fastest and easiest way to get started. So choose the option that says Use Template. Click that and Jotform will take you to the template gallery for Jotform Sign. Here you'll see a variety of templates organized by category such as business, legal, human resources, or education. You can scroll through the list to get a feel for what's available or use the search bar to look for something more specific like contract or agreement. Take a moment to browse and find a template that's close to what you need. Remember, you'll be able to edit the text and fields later, so you don't need it to be perfect right away, just a good starting point. When you find a template you like, click on it to preview the document. This preview lets you see the structure, the wording, and where signature fields might be placed. If it looks like a good fit, click the button that says Use Template. Jotform will then load that template into the editor where you can customize it, assign signers, and prepare it to be sent out for signatures. And that's it for this tutorial. You've gone from opening Jotform to choosing the e-sign option to selecting and using a template with Jotform Sign. From here, you can continue editing and sending your document knowing you've started with a solid time-saving foundation